welcome to the Fix at 4, live every day at 4 o'clock Eastern Time in New York. This is Block 10. It's been a busy weekend, as always, with crypto, so we're going to start with the price of Bitcoin, which has recovered from the support and is now trading at 6,742. If we go to the fix, yesterday Bitcoin closed at the fix at 6,704, so it is maintaining that stability. At least it's not going down. Now, we wanted to tell you about a couple products that we're launching this week, and the first one is Predator. And we call it Predator for obvious reasons. We couldn't call it anything else. And what this is crypto arbitrage. That means you buy on one exchange, sell on the other, and you have a profit. Now, there's a few things that make this different than normal trading. You have, let's say, not guaranteed, but you have a high rate of assurance that if you fill it at these prices, you're going to have a certain profit, which can be pretty big. So this is our dashboard that we have. If we scroll down, we can see there's some pretty big profits here, 32%, 51%, and that's only on one trade. Now, this is not easy. It's not for someone who's never traded before, and it's not a click and walk away type of thing. However, if you do want to dedicate the time and you have a little bit of money to risk, this is a good way to trade because all of the hard work has been done for you. In other words, buy-side traders always take the risk. So let's say I buy Bitcoin now and I expect that it's going to go up or down later, or if I sell, it's going to go down. I don't know if it's going to go up or down. I may have very good trading signals. I may have indicators. I may have artificial intelligence, but nobody knows when Jamie Dimon is going to get on CNBC and say Bitcoin is a fraud or any other kind of things that can influence the price. And as Bitcoin is unregulated and decentralized, it's really completely wild as far as guessing if the price is going to go up or down. So all we have to go on, which is a little bit known compared to the unknown, is arbitrage. So that's what we're giving to our members. And we're doing this because the price of Bitcoin looks more and more uncertain. So over the weekend, we released to our members a report which was actually a response to one of the SEC ETFs that was applied for. And in this response, an excellent analysis of Bitcoin as compared to traditional assets was created, that basically Bitcoin is a negative sum game. So what that means, let's say compared to stock. So why do people buy stocks? They think the price is going to go up. But what drives a stock or what backs a stock? Like people like to say the US dollar is backed by nothing. Well, what backs a stock? When you buy Microsoft shares, you're basically betting that the company is going to make good investments and build their business and drive sales and have a profit, and that profit is passed through to the shareholders as a dividend. And that's what backs stocks, basically dividends and buybacks and other things that the company might do. They might acquire a smaller company. So that's known as acquisitions. So it's not necessarily that growth from sales is the only driver, but the point is there's a real business that underpins it. Whereas with Bitcoin, the only thing that makes Bitcoin go higher is new money coming into Bitcoin that makes it go higher, which resembles a Ponzi scheme or a penny stock scam. So we're not saying Bitcoin is a scam, but if you just look at the asset element and analyze the cash flow, it actually resembles more of a Ponzi scheme or a penny stock fraud than it does, let's say, a traditional investment like a stock or a bond or a commodity. So that's the Fix at 4. Our 4 minutes is up. We'll see you tomorrow again at 4 o'clock Eastern Time in New York.